And we are back. We are back. So anyway, that's my take on it. And I'm not, I think that we talked about this before. Personally, I do not believe that abortion should be used as some contraceptive, as a means of contraceptive. But if people cannot raise their children, you know what I'm saying? Well, they shouldn't be having sex. Oh, that's silly. Okay. I mean, come on. All right. I mean, you trying to make it like this is a common sense situation. People gonna have sex. That don't mean that they want no children or they're able to care for children. Okay. All right. I might, say, well, then now all of a sudden society say you gotta have this baby. And guess what? It's not gonna make me stop wanting to get high. It ain't gonna make me stop getting high and doing what I'm gonna do. I'ma still will do what the hell I want to do. There are people that feel that way. And then what do? You have a child and they end up raising themselves. You know, I recently, well, I bought a house, but before I did have a house, okay, and I learned to plant. And I noticed that there was a difference between the flowers I planted that, like, I gave them structure, I fed them, I took care of them. If they were leaning, I was able to try to put something down to support them. They were better than the flowers that I just took the seed and I just scattered it. Wherever they was, they was. Some of them made it, some of them didn't. Children should not be raised that way. Children should not be raised in a way that, well, damn, we'll see what happened. Hey, you know what I'm saying? But we see it. You had the freezer mom, the baby, the new freezer mom. Her mama said, I don't know what in the hell I done raised. A monster. Okay? But here's somebody who feel, well, I'm going to have my baby. I'm going to be a mama to my baby. You may be in a mama to another. Allegedly, you done put it in the freezer. I don't know. It's an allegation, but allegedly you have. To say that the baby was undernourished. I want to say the child was like 6 years old and probably said the head was bigger than the body. My last case that I did as a judge where the parents systematically abused a child, put it in the back porch because it would pee on itself in 20-degree weather, to see the child take refuge in a garbage bag, the mom and daddy beating it. And we gonna say that they gotta have them kids, right? Because you don't know what's going on in their house. So here's somebody, when they could have had an abortion, now they're going to feel like, well, shoot, I got to keep my baby. It's people, women who have children who torture their children because mentally they don't need to have them. Okay? You look like your daddy. You're going to get it for that today. And so what we're doing, we are now preventing people from being able to say, you know, I can't take care of this baby. Now I got to. What the hell, a 10-year-old? A 10-year-old gets raped. According to President Biden, you got to take it out the state. Damn, how much more? Now, if that 10-year-old, here's a 10-year-old that's raped. That's what? 3rd, 4th grade? 5th grade? Come on. The trauma. We got to go, we going on vacation? No. We got to invade her little body, a child body. This is a lot. And we're going to see more of this. Yeah, it's about gun control. I'm with it. We need to control guns, but we need to control people having kids that don't give a damn about these kids. Y'all parents out there, listen, let me tell you what a real parent do, because I done it. Been hungry and my child ain't had nothing to eat, and I say, well, I'm full, because I want to make a way for them. That's what real parents do. But you got some people that they don't give a damn. Hey, baby, now I'm going to get more of a check. I'm going to get more food stamps. I'm going to get more money. I'm going to give me some lipo. I said, damn, everybody hurting. Lawyers hurting, business people going out of business. But you know who doing good? Them liposuction doctors. Oh my God. I called one. I did call one. Yes, I did. They told me they booked up until next year. I said, next year. And they got to pay. I said, and how much is the procedure? 8,500. And you booked up to next year. And your doctor does 5 procedures a week. What in the hell? Where do you think that they getting that money from? You know where they getting that money from? Taking care of them kids. It's going to be, we ain't seen it. And maybe in you will see when there was a crack epidemic, you saw now the results of people having crack and having children. Watch what you're going to see now that these people forced to have these kids. So here's the situation. I have a new person working on the board with me. I'm excited about that. Can you text me the callers to my line and let me know who's calling me, and then I can take them? I hope she heard me, but okay, yeah. Let's take some comments from the people in social media land. Miss Anderson, I'm hurting, but it's gonna be all right. Yes, we're gonna see way too much of this nonchalant attitude toward kids. Ann Jones. Terrell Beasley, I called also. Ellen, hey, how you doing, boo? You are right, Yvonne Swift. Ignorant people. Janelle Rowell. If this craziness keeps up, they're gonna have to try to bring back slavery. Oh, wait a minute. Please, I got to get there. Diane Ware, women should have rights to their body. Terrell Beasley, preach, judge. Okay. Brenda Deal Hollow, this should be very blessed day, very one, everyone stop being so selfish. I agree. But do you understand what I'm saying? That's the first thing. And I'm not holding this young boy's family accountable for what he had allegedly done. I say alleged because I didn't see it, but according to the media reports. But I'm just wondering. And you know, like, damn, for real? So do we have a caller? We got a caller? Don't worry, we'll work that out. So anyway, you know, this is some serious stuff. Oh, wait a minute, excuse me. Sorry. I told you what Clarence Thomas said in Dodd. In Dodds, that was a case to overrule Roe v. Wade. And we need to make sure that other rights that have been extended are revisited. And that was the cry out to same-sex marriage. And what they call is, I want to say they're called literalist. I may be saying it wrong, but anyway, basically what they're saying is that if it's not verbatim in the Constitution, like it is not spelled out, then it's not something that should be deemed a protected right. So if it don't say abortion, then guess what? No, it's not there. If it doesn't say same sex, it's not there. So now what they're doing is, and so this is the call out. Now, many of us, we know that we have a new Supreme Court justice, but instead of it being 6-3, it's going to be 5-4, with the majority being whom? It's going to be the Republican, the right-wing agenda. And I'm just not saying a Republican. I'm saying extremists. And they're basically saying that if it's not spelled out, and Clarence Thomas's statement in Dodds saying that we need to look at other extensions of these rights that were not covered, you know what time that is. They are simply waiting for someone to basically challenge it. And if it finds its way to the Supreme Court, which we know that it will, they're going to overturn it. They're going to overturn that. So now what you have are people who are doing a mad dash to get Plan B. Plan B is a pill that, if taken after intercourse, it prevents the woman from ovulating. So now, and you know what's going on, don't you? Plan B is so expensive you can't even damn get it. The woman says she got a Plan B for $6. She went back to order some more. A couple of days later, it's up to 20. Okay. Then there's the abortion pill. What is the abortion pill? The abortion pill is a pill that actually is made up of two components that actually terminates the pregnancy in its very, very early stages. Okay. And those pills, now what the legislatures are saying in those states that are banning abortion is that they cannot mail them. You can't order them. That is against the law. So what the executive order that has been signed by Biden basically is saying that it can be, shipped through the mail without it being a penalty. But I'm gonna tell you, mark my word, and it's called Metroprostol and Mifepristone. I don't know, which taken together are used to terminate and establish pregnancy. And so those are the abortion pill, and they can't keep them in stock. And many moms were saying that they're loading up so that their children or other people's children can have access to them. But we'll be back, and hopefully we're going to listen to some of the callers. We'll be back.